Hello student, welcome to this my Mathrotrix channel. Previous video we saw real number. Please share and subscribe that video. Now in this video we'll see rational numbers. Now see, in previous video we studied real numbers. In real numbers, rational numbers and irrationals. Now we are taking rational numbers. Rational numbers is denoted by Q. Already I told. Then this example also told, in rational numbers 4, minus 3, 0.05, 3 upon 5 and minus 2, like this. So many numbers are coming like this type. Now in this rational number, see integers. Integers is denoted by I or Z. Then another one is the non-integrals rationals. Then see here integers. Integers means what? Here this negative numbers. See here starting is given, the dot dots are given. That means here before that many numbers are there. Means no and infinite numbers are there. Just for writing purpose, here I have started from here. Suppose minus 4, minus 3. Previous that minus 6, then 6, minus 7. Like these numbers are there, or it is going in the infinite number. Then this negative number is there. Then here 0 is there. This 0 is there. Now see here, integers means what? See, try to understand here. Here, suppose integers. Here, integers is there, denoted by I or Z. Here, these are the negative numbers. Okay, from this side, if you are going this side, that means it's infinity numbers. I have started from here, minus 4, minus 3, negative numbers is there. Then this 0 is coming. Then 0 is means including 0, and then from this side, then it is coming a positive numbers. Means integers means what? This negative numbers, then 0 and positive numbers, including all these numbers are called integers. So you know that the number lines you studied in number lines. Number line is also showing like this way only. There is a negative numbers, positive numbers, and including 0. 0 is here neutral, no positive, negative. So this, then it is called the integers. Then another type is there in rational number, non-integral rationals. The non-integral rational, what is coming? Fractions, and then decimals. Then fraction means you are familiar with the fractions and decimal. Fractions means what? There is a some part is there, whatever number is there. Suppose here this 2 is there. From this 2, 2 is the denominator, 1 is the numerator. Okay, suppose whatever thing is there, one complete thing is there, you are making the 2 parts, and from that 2 parts you are taking 1. You are considering your 1. Suppose very simple, here by roughly I am showing here. Suppose here one rectangular shape chocolate is there. Okay, rectangular shape is, this is the one. You are making the 2 parts of this. That 2 parts means you are writing denominator. You are making 2 parts. Okay, and suppose one part you are eating, one part you are eating. That means it is a half part become, because total 2 parts are there. One you are eating, then means you are eating 1.5, and 1.5 is remain. That means this become the fraction. That is called the fraction. Means you didn't eat the complete one, you eaten the half one. So that half one means it is a 1 upon 2. That is the fraction. Means it is not a complete. Incomplete, that is the fraction. Now this is the decimals. Here decimals also you can write in a numerator and denominator form, but in decimals these numerators are in the power of 10. So this decimal points here. Then in decimals, suppose here 1.5. 1.5 means what? Here actually 15 upon 10. 15 upon 10, if you are taking division, then this it's coming the 1.5. Means recurring and terminating. In decimals, 2 things are there, recurring and terminating. Then we'll see details again. Here by this chart we studied here again, see rational numbers, integers and non-integrals. Then again there is a fractions and decimals. Now see Then we'll see here integers again in details or definitions. Already whatever it is written, that already I explained. All whole numbers and the negatives of whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? Again see here. Here in definition written like this, whole number, all whole numbers. So whole numbers means and negatives. So I told you negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers means it is an integer. Now again I have written here all whole numbers and negatives of counting numbers. Negatives, if you see negatives means here these are the negatives and okay, these are the negative numbers which -4, -3, -2, or here also before that so on. Here 0 and 1, 2, 3 means this what? All these are the whole numbers. All means whole numbers are started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash so on, means infinite. These are the whole numbers, that called all whole numbers. Starting means whole numbers and these negative numbers. Try to understand. See, all whole numbers and all the negative means same it is coming. What I explained, that is the same. All counting numbers from the collection of all integers. So example mine. So here same written, see, -5, -4, minus negative numbers, then 0 including this means it is a whole numbers from the collection of all integers. It is called integers. Then fractions. Fractions also I explained, the number of the form of a upon b, where a and b are the natural numbers. Natural numbers means what? Is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so natural numbers means here a upon b means it is not a 0. Okay, starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on are rational numbers, are called fractions. So if you are writing like this, you know that in the form of numerator and denominator, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, 9 upon 1, 61 upon 123 are all are fractions like this. So many we can write. I have written here selected. Then decimal fractions, a fraction whose denominator is 10 or power of 10. Power of 10 means what? 10 10 square. 10 square means 100. 10 cube means it is 1000. Then it's called the decimal fractions. Okay, suppose for your explanation, if you are writing like this, power is 10, so it is a decimal point, means answer is coming like that, means it is a decimal form. Then if you are writing this same 1 upon 10 square means 1 upon 100. 1 upon means this answer is coming like this. If you are writing this are the, suppose 1 upon 10 raised to 3, that means 1 upon 1000, and it will come, that answer is coming like this. Okay, so decimal points are decimal. These are called the, because these fractions are in the, their denominator is in the power of 10 or 10 or power of 10. Power of 10 means 10 square, 10 cube, 10 raised to 4. Now recurring. Recurring means what? Repeating decimal. A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits repeats continuously is called repeating or a recurring or a periodic or a circulating decimals. So example is suppose 1 upon 3. So equal to 1 upon 3. See, particular digit is repeating. Here given a decimal in which a digit means 3 is repeating. Okay, so it is a repeating or recurring or periodic. Now 22 upon 7. Here what? See, repeating 1 3 point, here 1 4 2 8 7. Here some after again sometimes these same numbers will repeat. Okay, so means it is a set of digits is coming. Now here 1, then 6 is repeating. Okay, so it is called the recurring or repeating because it's repeating. Terminating decimal. In order to express a fraction of p upon q in decimal form, we divide the p and q. If after a finite number of steps the remainder is left, then we call it a terminating decimal. Means what? See, in order to express a fraction p upon q, okay, it's expressed in p upon q in decimal form. Decimal form means what? We are dividing, but p and q, but after a finite number. But after a finite number, remainder is left, then we call it the terminating. Okay, suppose here your 1 upon 4. If you are divided 1 upon 4, then here see, I'll divide here 1 upon 4. So this one is divided by 4. Okay, so here by 4 this one is not divisible, so you have to put the 0 and then you will put here 0. Then 4 2s are 8, so subtraction is 2. Again here remainder is left. Okay, so again we are dividing. Okay, then here we are giving 0, then 4 5s are 20. Now here remainder is 0, then your means it is terminating, you got the 0.25. Again further it is not coming the uh, another numbers. Here remainder is coming 0, so division is complete, means after decimal point it is complete. So it is a terminating with 0, decimal is there, but further we can't go because here remainder is 0 0, so 0.25 is the answer. That means it is a terminating decimal. Again if you are dividing like this, see this 3 is divided by 8, so it is not divisible, you have to give 0. 8, see 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, so 8 3s are 24. So subtraction is coming 6, so again 0. So 8 7s are 56, so here again 4 is coming division subtraction, again you have to put 0. Then 8 5s are 40, see here means again a decimal is coming, here remainder is coming 0 0, you got the answer in decimal form 8.73. Further you can't go, further you will not get the answer. So here previous you saw that means recurring, means it is a 0 is not coming here in all these divisions, or you are getting the further answer, further numbers, digit is repeating or group of digit is repeating, but here your remainder is coming 0, that means it is finished. So after decimal point your division is completing, so it is a decimal. Here terminating decimal means 0.375, means it's terminated and completed. Here same, here also like this way. So see, try to understand the concept. Please share and subscribe this video, give your comments and clear your concept with the help of this video. Thank you.